Every AI data center being built right now needs one thing more than anything else: massive, reliable amounts of electricity, and the power grid in a lot of places simply isn't built to handle that kind of demand yet. There's a small company that started out installing solar panels on regular homes, and it's now trying to pivot into solving that exact energy problem for some of the biggest data center projects in the country. Before we get into it, if you're finding value in these breakdowns, take 2 seconds and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and tap subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All right, let's get into today's company. This company's original business is straightforward. It sells, designs, and installs residential solar energy systems for homeowners, along with related services like roofing, insulation, and battery storage, primarily across a handful of states in the southern and central U.S. That's a real functioning business, homeowners actually buying and using these systems every day. But over the past year, the company made a major strategic move, acquiring a long-duration energy generation and storage company, which opened the door into a completely different, much larger market, providing power infrastructure for commercial and industrial scale facilities, including the AI and cloud computing data centers, driving so much of the current tech boom. That pivot has already produced a real, tangible deal. The company signed an agreement with an energy developer to help build out a large-scale power generation project intended to support a data center campus with plans for hundreds of megawatts of capacity and early commitments already in place from at least one AI-focused customer. If executed well, that kind of project could represent a completely different scale of revenue than the company's original residential solar business. Now, here's where things get genuinely more complicated, and it's important to be upfront about it. This is a very small company with a market capitalization that puts it firmly in microcap territory. It recently received an official notice from Nasdaq for failing to maintain the minimum required stock price, which is a serious compliance issue. If it isn't resolved within a set time frame, the stock risks being delisted from the exchange entirely. On top of that, over the past few months, company insiders have been selling shares rather than buying them, which isn't necessarily a red flag on its own, but it's not the kind of signal that inspires confidence either. The stock price itself tells the story pretty clearly. It's fallen dramatically over the past year from levels above $3 down to roughly 50 cents today. Analyst coverage on this stock is extremely limited, and where ratings do exist, they've leaned cautious rather than bullish, reflecting real skepticism about whether the company can execute on its new data center ambitions before running into further financial or listing trouble. Now, here's the company we've been talking about. It's called Zeo Energy Corp, trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol ZEO. Zeo stock trades for around 50 cents a share right now, deep in penny stock territory, with a 52-week range that's swung from under $1 all the way up above $3. This is thinly traded, thinly covered, and genuinely high risk. The kind of stock where the underlying business story, pivoting toward AI data center power, is interesting, but the financial and compliance risk sitting alongside that story is just as real and needs to be taken just as seriously. To be completely honest, this is one of the riskier stocks we've covered. Between the Nasdaq compliance notice, the sharp price decline, thin analyst coverage, and recent insider selling, this isn't a stock built for anyone looking for stability or confidence. It's a speculative bet on a small company successfully pivoting into a much bigger market before its financial situation catches up with it. So that's the story behind Zeo Energy, a small residential solar company trying to reinvent itself around the AI power boom, with a real signed deal to show for it, but also real serious risk hanging over the stock right now. Whether it pulls off the pivot or runs into more trouble along the way, it's a clear reminder that in the penny stock world, an exciting story and a risky stock often show up in the exact same place at the exact same time. Keep an eye on stocks like this one, because sometimes the difference between a turnaround and a warning sign takes months to actually become clear. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice, and it is not a recommendation to buy or sell any stock. No stock is guaranteed to be profitable. Microcap and penny stocks can be extremely volatile, may face delisting risk, and can lose most or all of their value. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions.